everybody! Hello mga papampans! Dad! Prince! Princess!
Papampam, pambansang pamilya. Daddy Ren, Mami Emmy, Princess Nicole Yala at si Prince Clarence. Mag-i-enjoy kayong sila'y kasama. Papampam, pambansang pamilya. Papampam, samahan natin sila. Fun-filled na banding ng pamilya.
Board kami ganitong ID. Yun. Let's go. Let's cruise.
Okay. What are you saying?
What?
We're going to the cruise.
Yeah! We're going to the cruise ship. So, ito na po yung cruise ship. Medyo maulan ngayon. Well, sabi sa weather update, parang the whole time na nasa cruise kami, medyo maulan. Pero, carry lang naman. Let's go. Look at this. This is Genting Dream.
Oh, it's so big.
What do you think of it?
Cool.
What do you think of it?
It's cool.
It's cool. It's big.
Fresh air.
It's fresh air. Ayan na. Hi, babe. Princess.
There you say hi.
Hi.
And the cruise. Oh my god, it's a bridge.
Bakit? Ba't sila na-excite? Oh my God, pagkain. Alam niyo kung saan sila na-excite nung nakita nila yung pagkain? Actually, yung dahilan kung ba't kami nag-cruise kasi ang food, So right now, we are already inside. Para na siyang mall. Para siyang mall. What? So, nasa elevator. And we are going to the what floor? What floor? Daddy. 13. 13. Let's go. Okay, go.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Oh, stop doing that in front.
We're gonna go.
From the room.
Okay, let's go.
1312.
So big. What? What? I'm seeing. Wait, it's small? Small?
It's small. It's okay. It's bigger than the one in.
No, I want to sleep in the couch.
I want to sleep in the couch.
Ooh, I'm gonna sleep in the couch.
Look, the balcony. I vision the balcony.
The balcony.
Trust me.
Oh my god, the balcony. The balcony.
Oh, put your iPad here.
Oh my god, the balcony. Oh my.
What do you think of the cruise ship? Is it nice?
Yeah.
Look at that, Marina Bay Sands. Okay, naglabo. Cloudy kasi.
What? It's not cloudy. Oh my god.
Kita mo, Philippines.
Give me Oreo. Give me Oreo.
Yeah.
Oreo. Oreo.
Can we fit? Oh, malaki siya. This is even bigger than our room in Japan. Hello. Kasya kayo dito. Sa kama kami.
No,
No, like, I want there.
No, I want.
Guys, ang una namin pinuntahan na gusto i-check out na aking pamilya ay ang
Food.
food. Kasi as I said, ang rason ba't kami nag-cruise para sa only food. Let's go. So mamaya video ko pag may laman na at pwede na. So ito ang goals next time, ha? Dito kami. Yan. Royal Caribbean. Yan yung goal. That's the goal next time. Ayan, laki. Nagulat ako sa sarili ko. Okay. That's the goal next time. Royal Caribbean. So for now, Asia lang muna. So, ito yung pool area.
Nak, lalaban ako sa'yo mga kaya dito. Ay!
Daddy, go!
Go.
Yes, King.
In our room, nandiyan sa ID niya.
Yeah. So, ito yung area na hindi namin pupuntahan kasi gambling area. What? So, oh, other side.
So we can see the schedules.
Daddy, ito daw. Daddy. Dad, tawag ka. Ano na siya. Tapos dad, kung meron kang gustong malaman, dito na. Feeling ko wala na silang wala na silang papel. Ayan o. Guys, kasi dati, nung nag-cruise kami, bago pa dumating sila Prince and Princess sa buhay namin,
So we went here.
May papel.
Go! Prince Kuha ka naman. Woo! Tama na. How much is that? Oh! $1 lang. 35 pesos.
Where does it come from?
44.
Come from?
Here. Get it here.
Where?
That one. Push this. No, this square. Square, down, square. That one.
What is that thing?
Oh, no na. Tama na guys, please.
Mom.
Okay. Ay, wow.
So we can eat na.
5:30. Ay. Oh, di ba? Ganda naman. And then look at that, the view of the beautiful Marina Bay Sands. Oh. Clear skies as we go and cruise today. Thank you, Lord, for the provision. Babe, do you want to change now?
It's up to
It's up to you. What's happening?
What? We're gonna eat.
Yay, thank you.
Where are your IDs, guys?
So this is it, the moment that they're all waiting for. Eating time at the buffet. Ayan. Oh, what? What are we gonna do?
I don't know.
We're gonna eat. Come on, let's go. Oh. Prince, this is French fries. You want to get?
That.
You want?
Yeah, what is that rainbow?
Ano sabi mo?
Bukas 5 times a day.
5 times a day. So may kwento ako. Nung una kami nag-cruise ni Ren, sobrang tagal na, 2010. So parang walang...
2013 yun. Walang limit.
Walang limit. Parang, tsaka anytime you can go. Ngayon, if you're going to eat a second meal, meron na siyang bagong charge. Kaya nalungkot daw siya. Pero, 5 times a day naman ang kain, di ba?
Get in,
For
huh?
tomorrow.
What?
Yeah, I can play.
Rock, paper, scissors. Okay. Look at ate, what is she eating? What did you like? The carbonara and the beef. So si Prince pumunta ng cruise para kumain ng french fries at soft bread. Soft bread na parang, anong nangyari dyan?
Let's go eat it.
Oh my God.
Cheers.
No, yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Pam bansang pamilya. Daddy Ren, Mami Emmy, Princess Nicole Yala at si Prince Clarence. Mag-i-enjoy kayong sila'y kasama. Pam bansang pamilya. Pam samahan natin sila. Fun-filled na banding ng pamilya.